This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode.
Any mistakes on Obama their Usher party? This is one of the biggest things where every artist talk about all the while, but them lucky. Me name Ninja Kid. We're there in the party. And Ronald said, John wants to want a split star, God no more some weed. And I said, then when you ask the dope say a thing, and them say, John no kid, they don't know the dope still already, you know, so you can't do that something right now. And I say, I eat that. Ask Usher. Usher party. See? Man say, man, you eat that kid? You can't do that. And I say, they don't want weed. You want me to ask him and them say, yeah, go on then, no?
Yeah.
But them think a joke me and make when me say that. Me just go straight to Usher there at the end of the table, up there and weed around the table and Usher there. Me just get up and go up to Usher and say, you know, say some of the guys in here, we come with, say they want something to smoke, and I think a guy in here selling it for $500 a pop. I think we'd ask somebody and them say $500 for a bag. I don't know pay myself for $500. Anyway, Usher goes up and take out one iron something with one big coil on it, so and take off $1,000 and give me in my hand. When him give me frightened too still, yeah. Me now go around and he give me the 1,000 and say, go get 2 bags. Me just go back around like that and say, here what? Say 2 bills that you must find somebody. I say, we boy. Cause them different to the heart.
Listen, holy shit.
You understand?
Holy kid,
Tell me if
you're
wrong
different. Listen, no. Listen, but remember, you have to know you're in the street, so you're hustling at the same time. You get it? Boss.
At the same time, you understand? See? Yeah. I'm going to give on the 2 bills and say, yo, you know you're not buying no weed for 5 bills now. The 2 bills there. So I want to get that 2 bills there, I don't remember I don't feel like a smoke again. I tell you, yeah. That was the night we're good. Yeah. Anyway, we got some boom and deli, drink, boom. The judgment are going to come now. So the judgment are now with the airport are come on. Star Elephant, Kid Clear, Usher. I know Ellie already. Star, where you talk about? Yes, him take money from Usher. Star Kid, oh, you have to come from me and I take money from man. Boom, cussing done me, all right. I care 0. Think I'm that alone?
Yeah.
And then, yo, with that New York, and my voice a tune with Busta Rhymes. Every minute, Busta Rhymes, I say, yo, kid, go get a Hennessy, Bloom. And give me $100. I go down at the corner store. I go to the liquor store, go to one corner shop and get it for about $30 a buckle. Get it, come back. Kid, go get another Hennessy and give me the $100 again. You get it. Blue. Kid, go get another Hennessy. Blue man, give me the $100 again. See, 4th time, about the 5th time. And say, kid, go get another Hennessy. And me, I say, I'm going to go stand stretch. Someone say, come on, kid, man.
He said, nice. Kid,
Yo.
Kid, listen. Oh my goodness, boss. I don't know what you were doing in the road, but bro,
Holy smokes. Right now, I'm so hot right now. Yo, I haven't had, listen, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I've never had a podcast or a conversation where I laugh so much from beginning to end, kid. Holy smokes. Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.